on the laurels of the popularity of them song.
Yeah.
People don't know my song, so we really need to do much for this.
Yeah.
I'm not sorry to go for real.
Why you think Skeng mad? Skeng come and jump off, roll down and chair, jump off of the house top and because Skeng I show the people them say, look, me I got all out phone, me not hold back, me not itch, me not come here for being a pretty boy. That's why me say him name Energy Jesus.
Oh, you know, a Sting of it that represent for Phantom Medz, Torture Boy and Shotdown Feds. The real life show and entertainment. Tell a channel, leave the panel. Subscribe, like, comment, share your ear. Oh, you know.
Pull it down, so senses, beat up the calico, mad the fuck, watch it up, which boost if you run up, heave up on the dark side, we are.
Pleasant day. Welcome to the Phantom Medz. Big up to all my viewers and subscribers them. And if you know any subscribers yet, you know the procedure go. Click the flag below and don't forget people. Click the bell also for your latest updates and the latest releases.
Only gun, put a talk up your fuck, hard you no give a fuck. M-bomb play with dusty, a so develop, 7 up, beat and Percy gonna fill it.
And this show to the people, we have a fresh one. Yeah, viewers, a quick one also. For all who just check in, you know what to do already. And again, big up to all of my community. Continue to keep it real and clean. Make we get tonight right away.
Spear town, no I got man pull him all down. No shot him man, no just look him up. Look him up, go call on neighbor. Tons of up.
So viewers, earlier on, we see the great Elephant Man did an interview on the Fix podcast. Yeah, people you heard right. And we see where Elephant Man address Beenie Man. Yeah, viewers. And at a point, we see Elephant Man also address rumors about getting jacket. Yeah, viewers. A matter of fact, make we get tonight.
Me I thought even now, like, you see most of the dancers show them, like, craft have a little performance tonight, the craft know how to, you know, but most of the artists, them, when they really have the idea, them just come and say, oh, me I gotta do my song, them, and the people, them are going, hey, you have to entertain them, brother.
Yeah, most of them feel like, say, them just rest on the laurels of the popularity of them song. People don't know my song, so we really need to do much for this. I'm not sorry to go for real.
Why you think Skeng mad? Skeng come and jump off, roll down and chair, jump off of the house top and because Skeng I show the people them say, look, me I got all out phone, me not hold back, me not itch, me not come here for being a pretty boy. That's why me say him name Energy Jesus. Because Skeng try to perform for the people them. He try. Yeah, with him there quad him a jump off of this step, them a hold him, them a say, yo. See an elephant, see one little young elephant. You understand?
Now speaking of, because even, well, Javi just bring it up a while ago. See my people, them been a player with them here for some time. You know? Like, they don't want to give the flowers they deserve. So I see all the people them here will feel love and will see the people them love. Like, we know it's a real thing. So I ask specifically, you know, because me hear people are called it Elephant fan and all them things.
Here what we Beenie.
Why them? We're going to tell you what he said.
Here what we Beenie.
You know, wrong for them.
As I said, big up Beenie. Me not live miserable. Here what we Beenie. Me not start the truth. Here what we Beenie now. See him? Beenie upon the Fix. Hear me? Big up the Fix. Beenie upon the podcast with Nori them and
Drink Champs.
Drink Champ and them ask him some question. And you see, God not like ugly. The one time you try style me, cause me I try make it make sense what Beenie said. Beenie, big up yourself, you know, him say, any man fan. So why you trying to style me name, man? Me I have, you know, no matter what we have, you still see me and hear me, I will good already. You try to style me on the podcast. You have so many things to talk about because you just get back your thing and you did it. You try to style me. First of all, them say, Ellie or Sean Paul, I just say Sean Paul. But you see the good thing for me, my name came up right there. You can't go around that. Because none of them and the people in my foreign know say, this is energy God.
Yeah, I'm in the conversation.
I'm with energy God.
Yes.
See him say Sean, good. So them say, why you try to change Ellie name and style him? No, a big man can't name any Elephant Man, so a big man can't name Beenie Man. Really? You tell me, man. So,
remember the Beenie part one shit. The whole lot of them are real things.
So me I try to find out now. Me I try, cause yo, big up Beenie, you know. Me just try to show Beenie the one ugly thing come out of the situation. After being any man fan, the whole world want to kill him over what's up when the thing at Trinidad. I sit down on my yard, and I say, I want to pull them, and I take a chuck off. You mind my business. Your business with nobody business.
So you like doubles?
Of course.
Okay.
So hold on. what you have to understand, you see every Caribbean have them look. Say, look, Jamaica have the most hustlers. When me do, me say, yo, not the one that sell the chicken food soup. You see the cow skin soup, woman, I share the bad one. 50 people on the road because work hard. The people them not know where to go, but them have a skill name, cooking, ramp with ghetto people.
Yeah.
So, Trinidad is like that. So them feel like you're offended for them ghetto hustle. Because some of them can't work in a KFC, some of them never get no working in a bank. Time is so hard. We as ghetto youth, me not pass no street food. You see me? As long as it look clean and it look appropriate, we're not passing it. And you know that, yo, we are the country, yo, stop over there, young man, about a place there. The man them shot tear off and them a sweat. Make here zero. Cut the yam there and throw the butter in it. You ever hear a thing they want to kill my fatten?
Yeah.
When you take out a piece of meat and it drop, you do that.
God bless you. God bless you.
So, why now when me bust and touch star, me go like me better than the top of one corner. So, big up Trinidad, big up them doubles, big up Beenie.
Well, people, let us know if Elephant Man has his point right there. Who don't know how Beenie Man got to work already, you know, people. Them man, they not put nobody over him. No matter which shape, size, or farm you come in. It no matter if the whole world gave the crown. Beenie Man a defend that. Anyways, Elephant Man never done it right, so viewers. Even if the Elephant Man went further, viewers, and touch a major topic, a matter of fact, me go check it out.
Speaking of legacy of like 1 million kids, I do. I don't so much. But I know. So out of all the children, like you see any of them following up in music,
What do
production.
them do a poll? I hear what the poll said. Jamaican woman and Nigerian woman
Oh gosh.
give men the most.
Eddie.
Call him out.
You don't have so much
A poll
Jackie.
run. But a poll run. Remember one time Naro said, Ellie, you believe enough of them are yearn? I said,
Yeah.
listen to me. One time I just the woman a pop up. My other girl, oh, I'm pregnant. I said, oh. Me and a girl sit down and she said, cheers, Ellie, boop. She come up and said, oh, I'm pregnant. Me never do no DNA test because the youth them start, no. Remember now we know. Sometimes it's a girl where you like. You not look for a woman so wicked because she looking at you and she say, yeah, let me love you. Why?
Yo, Ellie.
You know,
You need to protect yourself, man.
no man, look no man, hear me I say no man. Remember, you know, I'm me and a she. So we, look, enough man can talk, Ray. You know the power of woman, love me. Brother, enough man can say, Ray, but much of you book a girl, yo, a girl can be down to earth with you, she want to be down to earth with you. And when she asleep, she just do whatever, drop whatever she want to prize. She can, woman are the easiest thing to kill a man. But guess what?
True.
Some of them keep it real. Some of them thump you with a one jacket or two. You know, one jacket start.
Just accept it.
What make people start finding out about jacket? Coming to America. When the father have to fight for the kid. And the whole forerunner for the man there. And the man says, Jesus Christ. Never one. Me know a friend have 5 picnic and him love him woman. Every day, Mr. Brother, you can kiss him, man. Man, tell you I want to you. Love woman. His mother send him. Filing door, she run with the 5 of them, go and come back. And when the people are there, they say, Mr. Bennett, child 1, no. Child 2, no. Child 3, him I said, no. Tell me the 4 of me, I love that one, then, no. None.
Oh my.
And it's still, and the picture them have it said, this is their father, because they don't knowing that. So for me now, they forgot to do a DNA test because the girl start act up now and rape me. I say, yo, leave that alone, because me don't want to hurt the youth or the youth feel no way. You understand?
I just want to talk to somebody.
About the youth, them, you know.
Yeah.
And about the girl ego when you hate her and me hate she and she hate me because sometimes some of the man them hate the woman them because them and the woman not sleep no more. And sometimes some of the woman them hate the man because she and him not sleep no more. And it end up
I don't like how they dress the song so strong.
It start hurt the kids. So here what happened. Like for me, the kids them grow hard. The kids them grow up, we there, we take care of them. Me have a son of a standpipe, we take him an artist, you know, and things. So every time I do the music, but them have enough for them because it's tougher now. It's wicked. And education has to up. We tell them to stay in school, do the thing, education are the key, because first of all, if you write song and if you do the thing, you have to think out of the box, because so many artists right now and so many artists talking the same. You don't want to come say you want to make a change in the music and you have to come scam this, that. You understand? Come say something where different, where people can turn heads with something different, and you still have to do a little of this, a little of that, but you know?
Yeah.
Just come to the table with your own thing and try to be creative as much as possible.
And try to help the youth them while having a music for, you know, further them thing.
Yeah, because you what happen now. What me I tell them say is that me not gonna just rush carry up on stage to you and my son, and me know so that lyric the way you have a fool in the shop, me depend. Yeah man, I'm my son. I a DJ one lyric, girl me want re spank your body job, look black, but hey. Listen me man. Try hey. DJ one song when me hear, me see if when me I do one of my song them, and then the stage present. DJ in front me, you're shy. You're DJ, you're not ready for stage. You want to DJ. Anyway, you're boring son for stage. I mean, I said, who love the son? Yeah. When he back, yo, me hate it.
Yeah, boring. Iron balloon.
So, me make sure I tell him the truth from yard.
Yes.
Right in front of me. Me can't tell him about out there. Them people on the ramp. Let me see if you have a look at the energy God in you. Him they even have the energy Jesus.
Well, you heard it for yourself. Let us know what you think about this situation by leaving a blunt comment in the comment area. And that's it for the show. Thanks for the support. Thanks for staying with us. Tune in next time.